In the name of Allah, the most precious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rubab Hassan. I welcome you all in APSEC's online sport program on behalf of Army Public Junior School, Multan. I am teacher of level 2 and this is the class of English language and it is 10th week assignment. So students, today my topic is use of can and can't. And our objective will be at the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn the use of can and can't. Expressing ability. We use the modal verb can to express that we know how to do something. The negative form is can't or cannot. Can and can't are always followed by a verb in the infinitive. So, students, look at this picture and then we will make the sentences by using can and can't. So, students, the boy can play the piano. The boy can play the piano. Yes, look at this picture. I can swim. I can swim. Expressing permissions. We also use can and can't to ask for and give permission. Like, can I go to the toilet please? Can I go to the toilet please? Now students, look at this picture. Can I come outside please? Can I come outside please? Request. We use can to ask somebody to do something. Like, can you please? Look at this picture. The door is open. So, you can ask like, can you close the door please? Can you close the door please? Now the next picture. The lights are off here. So, can you turn on the lights please? Can you turn on the lights please? So students, now open your textbook, page number 36 and I'm going to read it. You have to listen it carefully. Put your fingers on your book. Find out more. What can birds do? Before you read, what do you know about birds? Say 5 things. Look at the headings. Can all birds fly? Where will you find the answer? Now listen and read. Amazing birds laying eggs. All birds have feathers and all birds lay eggs. A hummingbird has the smallest egg. It is as small as your fingernail. An ostrich has the biggest egg. It is as big as 24 hens' eggs. Building nests. Most birds build nests for their eggs, but some birds don't. Emperor penguins don't build nests. The father penguin balances the egg on his feet. His tummy keeps the egg warm. Some birds lay their eggs on the ground. Flying. Most birds can fly, but some birds can't. An ostrich can't fly, but it can run very fast. A penguin can't fly, but it can swim very fast. Swimming. Ducks and swans can swim, they can fly too. Now, students, turn the page. Look at page number 37. Talk about it. What new facts did you learn? So, students, from the previous page, you have to think that what new facts did you learn? And which of these birds live near you? True or false? Look at the text Amazing Birds. Is each statement true or false? Most birds build nests. True. Some birds can swim. True. A penguin can fly, but it can't swim. False. A duck can swim and fly. True. An ostrich can fly. False. Almost some. Finish these sentences. How many different sentences can you make? So, students, all birds can lay egg. Most birds build nests. Some birds can swim. So, students, with the help of these words, you can make different sentences. Language tip: and, but, or. I can run and jump. I can walk, but I can't fly. A bird can't read or ride a bike. What can birds do? Say what the birds below can or can't do. Write a sentence about each bird. Kiwi. A kiwi can't fly or swim, but it can walk. Hummingbird. Hummingbird can fly. Goose. Goose can fly, swim, and walk. Falcon. Falcon can fly and walk, but can't swim. So, students, are you ready for recap? Alright, so these are frogs. They dash jump. They dash jump. Very good. They can jump. They can jump. Now, she dash drive car. She dash drive car. Yes, she can drive car. She can drive car. He dash play football. He dash play football. Very good. He can play football. He can play football. He dash swim. He dash swim. He can't swim. He can't swim. He dash right. He dash right. He can't write. He can't write. So, students, here we have a worksheet. Now you have to solve this worksheet. I'm going to read it. Listen carefully. Worksheet: use of can and can't. Use can or can't correctly. What sports dash you play? Dash I come to the party. Fahad doesn't want to go to the pool because he dash swim. It is really dark. I dash see anything. He hurt his leg, so he dash run fast. Ducks dash swim. Elephants dash climb trees. Bees dash make honey. Dash we go to the library, please. Dash you help me with my homework. Make 5 sentences using can or can't. Examples are here. I can run fast. My sister can't cook. So students, your task is reading of textbook page number 36 to 37 and solve the given worksheet. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.